Today, we're taking a look at the FOSITAN dimmable bicolor LED light kit. Now, what kind of power and value does this budget light kit bring? Well, we're gonna find out. Don't go anywhere. Up next. Hey guys, what's going on? Thank you so much for stopping by for another episode of Low Nose. If you're brand new to the channel, this is the place where we help content creators just like you get better every single day through audio, video, tech, and even through lights as well. So if you already have it, hit that subscribe and bell button. If you find that this video gives a lot of value, well then go ahead and hit that like button. And if not, and you don't like lights and you're all into the darkness, that got really dark, well then go ahead and hit that dislike button. Guys, I just need to know which videos are helping you out. Okay, so the FOSITAN dimmable bicolor LED video light kit. Whew, that is a lot to say. This will cost you about $139, and that's a pretty good price for this light kit, well, for this budget light kit. Now, what do you get for $139? Well, you get two 79-inch light stands, and you get your two LED video lights. Plus, both the light stand and the light, they both come in nice little carrying cases, so you can just pack everything up and just go. Very little clutter. Okay, so enough about what comes inside the box. We want to know the features and what these lights can do. All right, so let's take a look at the light and let's look at the front. We've got our bicolor lights right here covered by a diffuser. If we bring this to the back, we have our two cradles here for our lights, for our batteries for our lights. You can actually disconnect this from the wall and just take this to go, so you've got some portable lighting going on. If you want to do something outside or just something away from an outlet, you have that option. We have our LED screen here that shows our battery life. It shows us the temperature of our light and the luminosity or the brightness of our light. We also have these two controllable knobs. This one controls the luminosity of the light, going from dimmable all the way to max, and this one deals with the color temperature, going from 5600 Kelvin all the way to 3200. We also have a switch right here going to the right. It turns on our light using the power of the AC adapter. If we go to the left, this uses the power from the batteries. Once you put this on top of your light stand is adjustable up to 79 inches. And once the light is on top of the stand, you can use these two things right here to the side to play with the articulation of the light. So it's either shooting up, forward, or down. You can play with that angle. Okay, let's test these lights out. The only light source that I have going on are my ceiling lights. If the color looks a little orange, a little warm, that's because we're using those soft white bulbs. It gives you that orange look. When you use your LEDs will fill out that color or get rid of that orange. It'll fill out the shadows. It'll take away the shadows depending on where you have your lights positioned. So right now my two LEDs are positioned just off to my right as my main light. My second light is just off to my left as a fill light. They are not on right now. They are not on yet, but I want to give you an idea of what it looks like just using kind of room light right now. So let's turn on the LEDs. Alright, so this is our first look of using the two LED lights with our room light on. The power is set at 75% and 56 Kelvin for our main light. Our fill light is set at 90%, 56 Kelvin as well. I have it at a higher power level on the fill light because this light is a little further away, so we've got to balance that out. If I wanted to bring these lights closer, if I wanted to walk closer, then I have the option to actually dim the light on these two LEDs. Now, to give you a sense of how strong these lights are, I'm going to go ahead and turn off the room light. So with the room light off, we can tell that our picture doesn't look as warm as it did before. If you like the warm look and you didn't want to use the ceiling light, then you can still play with the color temperature of the light by using the temperature knob. Maybe drop it to maybe like a 32 or something, or just bring it down from a 56 or something. I'll show you right now what that looks like. So you can automatically see that when we play with the color temperature of these lights, we get that warm look back into the picture. It really is up to you, if whichever style that you want to use, daylight or soft light. It really doesn't matter. It's all up to your taste. Okay, so let me give you the pros and cons of the FOSITAN dimmable bicolor LED light kit. Number one, the lights get super bright. And in a content medium where we need all the light we can get to make our videos look clear, brightness is key. Number two, these lights are compact. They are not bulky like big, bulky, soft boxes of lights and stuff. They work. They're small, they compact, they don't get in the way, and they're not an eyesore. Number 3, the dimmable and the temperature. Man, it is such a pleasure when you have lights that go super bright and then dim to super soft, so you can actually get close to the light or walk close or get further away, so you can get that nice soft look that you are really trying to achieve. And number 4, the option of putting batteries in this light kit for super portability, so you can just put them in and walk around with your light and light up your environment. You are good to go. Now let's get to our cons, because I guess we got to get cons. Number 1, it doesn't come with batteries. That sucks. The batteries are a separate purchase. If it came with it, man, it would be so awesome, but I guess you got to do whatever you can to have the cost low. Number 2, I wish it would have like a remote control for the lights. Once again, I guess it's not there, so it can keep the cost low, but it really would have been nice. Like, you know, in actuality, it's not really a big deal. The soft boxes I've been using before using this set, they had no remote, so I have to constantly get up and click, 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 click. And those soft boxes, they only had like 4 settings. No, 2 settings. High, medium, and off. That was it. Okay, so that is it for the FOSITAN dimmable bicolor LED video light kit. Gosh, that is a really long name, isn't it? So guys, I want to know, what kind of lights are you using right now? Could you actually see yourself using this video light kit in your home studio? What kind of lights do you prefer? Leave it in the comment section down below, and we will have a conversation on light. You were supposed to turn. You see how solid that is? It's rock solid. Okay guys, if you liked the video, go ahead and leave a like. If you loved it, go ahead and subscribe. As always, leave comments, questions, or concerns down in the description down below. I will leave links in the video if you are interested in getting these lights or seeing other lights just like this, or seeing more reviews on this light. Also, hit me up on my social media, Lone Nose Sort Of, and if you want to get better at your content creation or get some more tips and tricks and just doing the thing, hit me up on Discord, Lone Nose at Lone Nose. Till next time, guys, I will see you in the next video. Take care. Bye. So bye.